Hello everyone, this is Stavrula speaking. I represent a non-profit organization called Hellenic Pass. We are in the middle of a square, a beautiful square of a mountain village that is only 1.5 hours from Athens. Why we're here? Because we have created a small restaurant that our target is to have only organic and local products from the very few residents that are here. Most of the residents here, that there are only 24, they have goats and sheep, and they cultivate fields with several crops and fruits. So everything we have an offer to this restaurant is local, 100% organic, and with this way we want to support the local economy and the local farmers. So here we are. Next to me is Georgia, Mrs. Georgia, who is local from this village, and she's gonna show us how we will make fresh goat cheese. We call it misithra. So what we are gonna need, our ingredients, it's 4 liters of goat milk, half teacup of lemon juice, some oregano, some salt, and whatever herbs you would like to add. But our basic ingredients are those. So we will start the procedure right now. First, we just put our milk inside of our pot. And then we just put the pot in our kitchen and we start heating it until it reaches 83 degrees. And how we can understand that it reaches the 83 degrees is just one step before it gets boiled. It's very important to stir it all the time in order to prevent to be sticky at the bottom of our pot. It will get about 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes of stirring and boiling, the texture is like this. And the temperature from 9, which is the highest, we put it on 4, let's say at the half. So now we just put it the lemon one step before it boils. One by one, she puts the quantity inside of this basket and cloth. And why we do that? Because we want to give a shape, a round shape. You will see later on what I mean. what it left from the milk is this liquid. This is our cheese. So the liquid, we don't use it anymore. We threw it away. You see the liquid and the strain procedure that this cloth does. And then we're gonna make it as a ball. This cloth, we're gonna make it to be as a ball. Like this. And then we do that just to take away all the liquids. So now it's time to add our salt and herbs, whatever herbs you want to use. We prefer oregano, so we will put oregano. It's a teaspoon, as you see, of dry oregano and a teaspoon of salt. Our fresh cheese, mizithra. We leave it, as I said, 5 hours until it gets cold. Then you add some extra salt, and then you can consume it direct, or you can put it in the fridge and to consume it within a few days. Georgia, thank you very much. So she said thank you very much, and she expects you in the village to taste those flavors. After the fresh cheese, mizithra, that we just made with Georgia, now it's time to make a very famous starter, which actually it's my favorite. I grew up with that. It's called kayanas, and the basic and very easy ingredients to remember, they are fresh tomatoes, eggs, cheese. We are going to use the first cheese that we made, but also it's famous with feta cheese, olive oil, oregano. So we first grate the tomato. While the tomato juice is boiling in our pan without olive oil, we heat 4 fresh eggs. These eggs also, they're fresh from the farm of Georgia. So the ingredients, I repeat once more, they're very simple to remember. Tomatoes, eggs, cheese, you can use whatever cheese you like. Herbs, we use oregano because we like it, but also mint is very tasty, or thyme. And a little bit of salt if you want extra salty taste. So the eggs are ready. So we keep stirring the tomato juice, the fresh tomato, until it absorbs all the liquid. And when it absorbs all the liquid, it's time to add the olive oil, and at the end the eggs, and then the cheese will act. You can see now the texture of the tomato juice. the liquid is absorbed, so that's why we just added the olive oil. We keep stirring. Now it's time to add our eggs. And after a few minutes it's almost ready. Our kayanas is ready. Can't wait to try. We just finished the kayanas dish. I hope that you like it. It's very easy, it's very tasty, and sorry, but it's time to taste it. Καλή μας όρεξη. And good appetite, καλή όρεξη. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching. Bye.